Hey everyone, Patrick here with Siser, and today I want to talk about something important for all of you DIY enthusiasts, crafters, and business owners of any size. Certifications. Now, you might have seen all of these symbols attached to the Siser products and wondered, what do all of these certifications mean? And why are they important when it comes to heat transfer materials? Well, let me tell you, Siser has you covered. As a leading manufacturer of heat transfer vinyl, we are committed to ensuring that our products meet the highest of standards of quality, safety, and sustainability. But don't just take our word for it. Let's take a look at the various certifications that Siser products have earned. First up, we have CPSIA Compliance. The Consumer Product Safety Improvement Act in the US is a law that aims to ensure the safety of children's products. So for heat transfer vinyl, this means that our products must meet specific requirements for phthalates, lead, and other toxic substances. Now, here at Siser, we are proud to say that every heat transfer material meets these requirements, ensuring that you can create beautiful and safe apparel for yourself, your kids, and even your pets. Next, we have the Oeko-Tex Standard 100. This certification tests products against a list of over 1,000 harmful substances, and only those that are free from all of them earn this label. Now, the Oeko-Tex Standard 100 is recognized globally as the benchmark for textile safety to ensure that products are harmless to human health. The International Biodegradable Products Institute, or BPI, certifies products that break down quickly and safely in the environment. Now, all BPI products also meet the ASTM international standards for compostability. With the addition of our all-new Pure HT, a fully compostable heat transfer material, we're proud to have received the certification for BPI, giving you the assurance that your creations will not have a negative impact on the earth. In California, Proposition 65 is a law that requires warning labels on products containing certain chemicals known to cause cancer or reproductive harm. As a responsible manufacturer, Siser ensures that our products comply with all regulations. Now, you might be wondering what Vegan OK has to do with heat transfer vinyl. Well, some of our customers are vegan or have customers who prefer vegan products. Vegan OK certification ensures that our heat transfer vinyl is free from any animal-derived ingredients and byproducts. So next time you see the symbol, know that the product is vegan friendly. Recyclability is crucial for reducing waste and conserving natural resources. Both our heat transfer material and carrier are fully recyclable. As with all recyclable products, however, we recommend that you check with your local municipality or recycling center for the guidelines on how to safely recycle Siser products. So there you have it, certifications explained. At Siser, we take pride in producing high-quality heat transfer vinyl that not only looks amazing, but also meets the highest of standards of safety, sustainability, and social responsibility. By choosing Siser products, you can trust that you are getting the best possible results from your projects while also supporting responsible manufacturing practices. With that, I hope that this has helped give you a little more insight onto why we do what we do here at Siser. And if you have not already, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and leave us a comment down below on what you want to see next. With that, stay creative, and we'll see you next time. Bye, everyone.